Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creations, and I'm here today to do a Walmart, Michaels, and Dollar Tree haul. I have picked up a few things here and there in the last couple weeks, and I thought I'd show you before I put them away. But first, I would like to thank all my new subscribers for coming and checking my channel out and subscribing. And I want to thank all my returning subscribers for sticking with me. All right, let's get started. So my Walmart is now has this Bloom yarn, and I have never used this yarn before, but I have seen some pretty projects being done with this, and it is a 5 bulky, and it's premium, and it's really soft, chunky Bloom. And I know I have a shadow, but I'm trying to fix that, but that's like a poncho there. This is 218 yards. I don't know what I want to do with it yet. If you have any suggestions, put them down in the comments down below. I have 3 skeins of these. It's so soft. I don't know what kind of blanket or how much more I would need to make a blanket, but I really like that. And I can't believe my Walmart's carrying it, to be honest. The next thing I got, which I had opened already, was tulle, and I was using it for my tassels. Next thing I got were these pins, because I think they're pretty and I love pins, so I got these felt tip pins. The next thing I got was Summer Nights, and I've already used a little bit of it, not much, but I plan on making some brooches or something with it, crochet, that I'm learning to do. I thought those would be pretty for that. And then I got this one here, Summer Nights. Isn't that pretty? I love the color. And these are a number 1. Focus. Okay, number 1, and this one's called Tropical Punch, and this one is called Ocean Cove. And I forgot to mention the color on this one, and this is called Tulip. Yeah, I thought those were pretty. The next thing I got was this velvet yarn, and this is a number 6 bulky, I think, super bulky. And what is this color called? It just says baby velvet yarn, but it doesn't tell me the color. It just says that right there. It's super soft, super pretty, and I want to make an amigurumi with this and some hair ties. And the next thing I got was just this little storage box. I'm going to send it to a crafty friend with some goodies in it. And then I got this here, because I'm always needing needles of everything, it seems like. And then I got this one, and then I got a hazelnut or coffee something, but it must have fallen out of my bag somewhere in the house, so I need to find it. But I got that for a face mask, because at the time I wasn't able to get to the Dollar Tree. So next thing I got were these for swapping glues, because I actually ran out. Okay, let's do Michaels. And most of these were on clearance, so I got this for $3. These beads, not bad price. They were $7.49 on a low price, and now they're $3. So I thought that was a really good deal. Next thing I got were these craft beads here, and they were $3. And there's a lot of pretty colors and some fall colors in here, so I really wanted to grab it. So those are pretty. And this one I was thrilled and ecstatic about because I don't have any wood beads, and I wasn't really getting into wood beads, but there's some things I want to make with wood beads. Now this was originally $19.99. I got this for 70% off. I was so excited. So it's a pound of wooden beads. What a deal. So yeah, I got those. Then I got 2 bags of this $3 one. And then I got some of these earring protective that you put them on the stud earring, or the earring post, but I'm using them for my pokey tools. I made a bunch of pokey tools, and so I couldn't find them. Now I found my original ones, so go figure. And then I bought, these are a little bit bigger. These are 3 inches. Yeah, 3 inches instead of the 2-inch ones. And I want to put words across there and make them long dangles as well. So there's that. Then from the Dollar Tree, let's see here. The Dollar Tree, I had 2 of these, but I sent them to a crafty friend, so I have 1 left. And I want to use these for, hang on, it'll come to me, ATC cards. There's a lot of stuff coming up, so I want to put these on just ATCs. You just stick a sticker and a few things on, and you got an ATC card. And I got a couple of these in, I bought a few of these, so I got Cinderella, Minnie Mouse, Snow White, and another Minnie Mouse. I planned on trying to make charms out of them. Charms are keychain. And let's see here, I got some more Minnie Mouse in this, so I got 2. Because honestly, I thought I only had 1, so I didn't think I had them, and come to find out I bought it and I forgot because I didn't go at the same time. Then I got Little Miss. Hang on, it'll come to me. Yeah, it'll come to me. Forgot her name already. My granddaughter like watches her all the time, so. Yeah. And then I got the little birds called Cuckoo Loco. Isn't that cute? And then I finally was able to go get some masks from the Dollar Tree because it actually has been helping my face. So I got watermelon and rose water aloe. These are the only 2 they had in the store. That's it. My Dollar Tree stinks. I just throw it out there. And then I wanted to try these for my swap and glue as well. I don't know, I've never used these before, but I thought for $1, you know, whatever, we'll try it. And then I found these Dr. Seuss erasers. I want to make charms out of them for like keychains or something, and I thought they were cute. Dr. Seuss and stupid light, sorry about that. And another keychain thing, I thought that was cute. And then I got this containers because I'm always running out of containers, but I've been cleaning out my beads and using a lot more of my beads and emptying these containers, so now I have more containers. All right, so I'm missing one of my masks. It was a coffee hazelnut something. I can't remember, but so I have a total of 4. So I got 2 at Walmart and 2 at the Dollar Tree. So I'm hoping to put one of these on my face. So, because I really like the way it feels. It feels really, really good. And I hope my Dollar Tree carries more. So, all right, that is my haul for all 3 stores. If you like what you see, if you can just give me a thumbs up, hit the notification to all so you can see more of my videos, and please subscribe because I really like to have you in my YouTube family. That'd be great. All right, everyone. I hope all is well. Take care, stay safe, and as always, God bless. Bye.